Coming up on AW Cooking with a Twist, coming to my kitchen. First, you have my buffalo trap wings, hand tossed in frank red hot sauce, garnished with parsley flakes. Second, I have my honey barbecue trap wing, tastes so good it'll have you coming back like a dime bag. Third, I have my grandma's skillet potatoes, boiled potatoes topped with ranch and cheese. Now to the season. I pretty much put a few simple ingredients on the chicken, which was large seasoning salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. Very simple ingredients. Add a little more black pepper in there, however much you want. Put a little more seasoning to it, make it a little spicy. Next, I put the garlic salt in it so I can get it open. There we go. Come on. Then you're gonna mix the seasoning together. Make sure it's on the chicken real well. Just keep on mixing, and make sure it's in there real good. Look at that. You see how it's supposed to be? Next, depending on how many people you are serving, you should fry the chicken in batches. That way you will get a good portion to serve everyone, and allow the chicken to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes in a deep fryer until golden brown. After you put all the chicken in, then we go put the top on there so it can cook a little faster. It's part of me, so I know it's meant to be. No off days, no sleep. We on the way up. Step 3. Get a bowl or container and lay the bottom with a paper towel to drain the excess grease from the chicken when you take it out. Don't disrespect, cause if I feel the threat, I might have to get work to them down. See how golden brown that is? You know it's gonna taste real good. Just look at it. I know you wanna bite it right now. Just from looking at the screen. I know it look real good. It's golden brown. If it ain't golden brown, it ain't finished. See, look at that. Real good. My head on straight, growed up to get this cake up. Lot of shit got in my way, but no, I never changed. As you see, we are using frank red hot sauce and Kraft honey barbecue sauce. I took 1 stick of butter and melted it for additional flavor and to give the sauce a shine. No off days, no sleep. We on the way up. Next on pour the sauce around the edges. I really don't like pouring on directly on top. I don't know why. And then you just pour it around the edges real good. Then I'm going to hand toss it and whip it up. You gotta flick your wrist. You gotta toss it real good. You gotta sauce it. Make sure all the sauce is on the chicken. If not, it ain't gonna be good. Keep tossing.
Tunnel vision. I ain't slipping. A lot of hard times, but the struggle made us. Made it through the tragedies, no, we never gave up. My head on straight, growed up to get this cake up. A lot of shit got in my way, but no, I never changed up. What's meant for me, I'm sure one day that you will get to see. I'm chasing dreams, so one day I will leave a legacy. It's part of me, so I know it's meant to be.
No off days, no sleep. We on the way. Remember back in the day, man, shit got a little tough. And fast forward to today, shit still a little rough. I'm just learning lessons, trying to earn some blessings and work out with them racks so we can burn some fucking stressing. I wanna put my mama in the bins and my
I cut up 6 potatoes and seasoned them with salt and pepper for taste and brought them to a boil.
Win, nigga, win. Father, I ask you forgive me if I ever commit another sin.
Next, I'm going to take this ranch and pour it all over. I damn near poured the whole bottle in.
Trying to figure out how to chase these dreams.
Then I'm going to sprinkle shredded cheese all over it to make it cheesy.
Got them naysayers, them haters, them false motivators. Negativity, it don't faze us, yeah. 365, I stay on my grind. Money on my mind, please don't waste my time. I stay humble with no worries, cause my path is clear.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
We celebrate, we take our time and do this.